Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Vanguard Warzone. Begin by customizing a balanced loadout and practicing recoil control in the firing range, then jump into Plunder or Battle Royale to test it. Focus on movement, map rotation, and using pinged intel to coordinate with teammates. Keep engagements short, prioritize high ground, and learn when to disengage for loot or rotation to safer zones for better survival. Start by choosing weapons that match your playstyle and the map flow. Pair an SMG for close work with an AR for backups. Attach optics and muzzle tools to reduce recoil and maintain accuracy during sprinting and peeking. Save a secondary launcher for vehicles or clustered enemies, and swap perks to suit stealth or aggression. Practice with your chosen kit in small matches to build muscle memory. Move with intent by clearing buildings and checking common angles before committing. Use jump peeks and quick peeks to bait shots, then punish opponents who miss. Always have an exit plan and track the safe zone timer to prevent being pinched. Share loot and armor plates with teammates to keep everyone combat ready, and revive only when it is safe to avoid losing the squad to a pocket attack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.